Hey there! Ever dreamed of creating your own line of hair care products? Well, you're in for a treat. Today we're exploring why starting your own hair care range is not just a passion but the need of an hour. Does the idea of beauty formulations make your heart skip a bit? But perhaps you're stuck, unsure where to start or what path to choose. Ever consider diving into the world of organic care formulations? Let me give a few solid reasons why you should. First off, the global market for organic care is booming, set to reach $12 billion in 2025 with a projected 1.8 expansion over the next decade. Governments are stepping in, banning harmful chemicals in hair care products, creating a golden opportunity for herbal brands to flourish. Consumers are leaning towards herbal hair care, presenting a revenue opportunity exceeding $500 million. The organic hair care market thrives on innovations and ingredient transparency during manufacturing. Bottom line is, the future of organic beauty holds incredible potential for innovative hair care brands. It's not just about trends, it's about the growing demand for natural quality hair care products. Organic hair care formulations are the strongest of Learn Canyon School of Formulations. Our course takes you on a journey to create a professional range of organic and natural hair care products straight from the expertise of seasoned formulators. By the time you complete the course, which takes roughly 6 months, you might just be a professional formulator. You'll be an entrepreneur in the world of hair care. Armed with knowledge and tools, you can confidently start your own hair care brand. You possess authority and credibility as a certified professional. We are here to guide, help, and motivate you through your learning experience. Enroll in our hair care formulation course today and start your dream today. Click the link to enroll and see you in the class.